When I made Lego O scale, I knew that my next step would be to make Lego HO scale. Which that ran into a whole different thing because unlike with O scale, a lot of trucks can be taken off. These ones can't. But a lot of the old HO scale trucks can be taken off just by a screw and put onto the Lego. Which the ones that also had the screw, let me just take this off. The Lego bars fit into the holes where the screw, and then the Lego, whatever this piece is called, this Lego piece, fit perfectly under the trucks without interfering. And now you have Lego HO scale, and this set, this high-speed train set, is pretty much HO scale. Might be a little under scale, but it fits fine on the train track. And with a locomotive, it can run flawlessly. My goal with the Lego HO scale is not to make Lego sets that can run on HO scale track behind HO scale trains, but to make Lego HO scale trains. Because I feel as though that based off this Lego set, I can make a full Union Pacific excursion or a Reading excursion service as long as I have the locomotives to pull it. So expect more HO and of course Lego skill videos to come, including the Pennsylvania Railroad T1 when it's finally finished, which will be very soon.